What is going on, y'all? Welcome back to the Merlin Terps How to Grow Cannabis YouTube channel. This is Growing Cannabis with Orange Juice, episode 3. We just reached week 2 of flower, but today's video, we're going to get you guys caught up on our second month of vegetation. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. This plant right here, I'm actually growing this one, guys, with orange juice. This tall plant right here. This one has just reached the top and it's about to come out soon. All right, y'all, what is going on? It is day 40. Orange juice, milk is done. This plant right here is the plant we've been growing with water. The plant that you guys have been seeing in the background since we even started this experiment with the orange juice and milk. Now, orange juice was planted a couple of weeks after the plant that we're growing with water. And guys, you can see as far as the height, they're almost the same size. Water has a lot more foliage. And the crazy part is, guys, we topped this plant right, where's the top site? We topped that plant right there. And when you top, it stunts the growth. And it's still almost as tall as the plant that we've been getting water. But we're about to give it some juice. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, y'all, this orange juice attracts a lot of bugs. So we're gonna give this plant juice over here. I'm not gonna take it inside today. Just gonna move it away from the other plants and give it juice over here. Orange juice is non-pulp, calcium and zinc. It also contains potassium and a little magnesium. The only thing we're missing in this is nitrogen. But we do have some nutrients in the soil. So gave it over a little bit of half a gallon. This plant is real thirsty. Check it out, orange juice. Starting to see some white spots on here. So I am going to start giving this plant some neem oil. Day 44 for orange juice. And look how it is catching up, y'all, to the other plant. I don't know what it is about giving this plant orange juice, but the growth rate is just crazy. I just had to take it out of the tent because it was getting too tall. That's why you see these leaves right here pushed down like that. But yeah, guys, to be continued. Day 45, orange juice. Plants are a little droopy, it's been hot. We're gonna give her some orange juice today. Let's take her away from all the other plants so we don't attract bugs with our orange juice. And let the orange juice sit outside to raise up that temperature. We had the orange juice refrigerated. Let's go ahead and take our plant away from the other ones while we juice it. But yeah. Told y'all, almost as tall as that one. The growth rate is crazy. Moved our plant over here. Got our container of orange juice, 1-to-1 ratio. Orange juice and water. 2 cups of that pH up. 2 capfuls of that pH up. Add another half gallon. Let's see how she grows from here. Uh-oh, what's that? See you guys tomorrow. This is day 55 of orange juice, guys. Catching up with our plant. And this plant, like I said, guys, was topped. Right there. And we have this plant just catching up, even though it was topped with the other plant. Other plants are looking good and healthy inside of our tent. But can you grow a plant with orange juice? Yes, you can. These fan leaves are massive. Like, the fan leaves on the orange juice is 2 times the size of the fan leaves when I won with water. Day 55. Orange juice. Day 57. The orange juice looking like it's gonna need some juice today or tomorrow. Starting to see some nutrient burn on the tip. Something going on with the nutrients, but yeah, straight female for right now. Who knows? That is going to be it for today's episode of Growing Cannabis with Orange Juice. We are currently in week 2 of flower, so make sure y'all follow, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button so every time we do post a video, y'all get notified. This is the Maryland Terps How to Grow Cannabis YouTube channel, and we out till the next time, baby.